Today I'd like to show you do-it-yourself shiatsu. It's helpful. I use when I was 20, I was 30, 40. I'm very physical, so I need physical energy. So every night I do shoulder stand and the plow and the cobra. So this is 100 count, and the next 100, and the plow is about 1, 2, 3, 10. This is end of the day before go to bed. The next morning, very alert, you have full energy. Or you can do any time when you are no energy. You can do it yourself, feel fresh, refreshing. This is I really recommend it, do it yourself. And also metabolism get higher. So you burn your calorie, and it always keeps slim. So please do it. This is my secret, not secret, but really help my life. Wonderful, energize every day. Shiatsu practice, the shoulder stand. Here's how: hold on to the back of your waistline with both hands. Count 100. Next to the plow, hold while counting to 100. This can be an excellent way to relieve shoulder tension, increase metabolism, and cause the lower thyroid gland to be more relaxed. Increase metabolism and make the lower thyroid gland more active. You will be energized. The next move is cobra. Cobra is stretch low back and relax, count 10. That's good enough. And you feel completely a stretch of the yoga pose, shoulder stand. Now you know, you learn 3 stretch, energize movement. Please practice. Every day you can use it. Thank you for watching.